How to activate public bank credit card online. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In today's video, I will walk you through in the step-by-step process to activate your public bank credit card online. So if you also want to learn, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now firstly, you have to open any web browser on your PC and there search for pbebank.com and press enter on your keyboard. And once you search for it, you will direct it to its home page. Now, in order to activate your credit card, firstly you need to get logged into your account. Now to get logged into your account, tap on login button at the top right and there tap on the first line PBE. Now type in your user ID of your public bank account and then tap on next button. And then a password box will appear on your screen. Now type in your account password and then tap on login button. And once you get logged into your account, you have to tap on card activation option and then follow on-screen instruction, and after that you will be able to activate your public bank credit card online. That's all it takes to activate your public bank credit card online. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.